friends, welcome to Rina's cookbook. Today we're going to make a super fruit cake. For that we need 250 grams of butter, eggs, sugar and flour each. And with the flour we're going to sift 2 teaspoons of baking powder. The rum soaked fruits and nuts will take around 350 to 450 grams. We need 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence. You need to powder the sugar, and the butter and eggs should be at room temperature. Now you can take a screenshot and keep it so for easy access for the ingredients of this fruit cake. Now we're going to take the butter and start beating it. For that I'm using a stand mixer, which if you do not have one, you can use a hand mixer. Now when the butter has been beaten well, we'll add the sugar after powdering it and beat it well again, or cream the butter and sugar together like so. And then we'll add about 2 eggs each time and beat it to a nice smooth consistency. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence. It might look like it's all gone bad, but it's okay. You just need to add about 3 or 4 tablespoons of white flour and beat it for a while. And then you can take out the bowl and then fold in the rest of the white flour with a spatula. Always fold in one direction. So keep folding till all the white flour has been incorporated. Now we'll take the dried fruits and nuts that have been soaked in rum, add some white flour and mix it up till the fruits and nuts are well coated. Make sure there's no excess white flour. Yeah, like so. Now add this to the batter and fold in lightly. Do not overmix. And once that has been folded in, we'll transfer this to a baking tray. Usually you use parchment paper to prepare the tin, but I have used paper in which butter has been wrapped. That's for convenience. So I've transferred the batter into the cake tin. You can preheat your oven to around 160 degrees centigrade before folding in the flour. But in my case, using a regular gas stove, single burner, on which I have put a cast iron Dutch oven. I'm sprinkling some salt inside and then putting a metal rack inside it. And I've closed it with a lid so that my Dutch oven can be preheated. About 20 minutes later, I'm putting in the baking tray with the batter in. And then I'm going to close it and keep it for about 1 hour or more. Maybe probably 1 hour, 15 minutes. After 1 hour, I'm going to lift up the lid and see if it's done. And when it's done, when the center is dry, I'm pricking it with a toothpick. And if it comes out clean, yes, my cake is done. I've taken out the cake and left it to cool. Now I'm going to use a knife to go around it and release the cake. And I'm going to demold it. And here goes. Yes, I'm removing the baking tray and removing the butter paper. As you can see, you can see, the bottom isn't one bit burnt. It looks so soft and nice. I'm going to turn the cake back again. And wow, look at it. It looks so good. Not a little bit was burnt, and now I'm cutting out a slice. It looks soft. And let's see what it looks like. See, the fruits are all evenly distributed and the cake looks really nice. I have tasted this and it's medium sweet, pretty soft, and I can even bite the nuts. So this cake is really tasty and I think you must try it. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the bell button and share. Thank you.